Okay, so let's explore how you can make over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6% per day, okay, on Render, Solana, BNB, Injective. So many crazy opportunity right here. I know the market has been exploding for the last, let me just fix it, there we go, for the last few weeks, couple of months time, but also yield farming, what is one of the tool, one of the ways to make some money, it also has been exploding. Okay, so this is crazy video. Make sure you stay to the end if you want to have all the juicy parts. Okay, so if you go to DeFi Llama, okay, and also at the end I'm going to give you my best suggestion where you can go and check what is the best group to join to learn yield farming, where I'm also learning every single day, and this is not a paid review, it's something what I really respect that group and I want to share with you. Okay, now if you go to DeFi Llama, let me just move my face. So DeFi Llama is a must tool, okay, must using tool, because there's so many information here. Okay, if you go here and if you see Solana, okay, weekly chart over 120, Solana is booming like crazy, and then we have Ethereum and Arbitrum and Thorchain, Avalanche and Base also has is exploding, and Osmosis. So Phantom 197%, wow, that's crazy. Okay, so check this out, this is for me the most important part, DEX. How much is the TVL into decentralized finance? That's where we are farming. We're providing liquidity. Okay, we are the market makers. We are the bank. We're providing liquidity. So everybody, when anybody buying and selling, they're paying some fees. So each time when you buy and sell, you pay small fees, and that fee is coming to the people who provide liquidity. In this case, myself. Okay, so DEX TVL 827 million. Okay, million, this is crazy. Okay, this is on Solana for the last just on Solana network 2.7 billion for the last 24 hours, Ethereum 2.3 billion, BSC chain 1.3. so Solana passed Ethereum for I think the first time right here. Okay, Base 200 million, but look the difference, 2.78 billion with 2 billion BSC, and then everything we have Base and Polygon only 200 million is still low. It is so early. Okay, just imagine what will be this one after 5-6 years, will be the same level like here, and this will be probably 10-15 billion. Okay, so let's go and explore. Okay, let's go first to PancakeSwap. There's so many opportunity on PancakeSwap. If you go to PancakeSwap, go to earn, go to farms, you will see, check this out. So cake BUSD 44, so that's not so juicy. But if you go a little bit down right here, you will see Sol and USDT 108% APR. Again, you need to understand how the concentrate liquidity pool working. There are two types. We have the old school, that's a V2 liquidity pools. You provide two assets together, and then you don't need to set end range, and that's the old school and the easiest way to provide. And also you have the concentrate liquidity pools where you need to set certain range, and I did few videos for that. Make sure you go and watch them for the last 1 or 2 weeks. Okay, the situation is still the same. So check this out. If you go here, okay, it was one very hot pool. I'll just mention one here, and it was this one, Inspective and BNB. Okay, Inspect and BNB is over 609% APR. Isn't that crazy? And the one of the main one what everybody loved so far, it was FAT and BNB 234% APR. Okay, now let's go to the next one, Dojo Swap. So Dojo Swap is the hot DEX on Injective, okay, the biggest DEX on Injective right now, and it's killing it. The price when I ape in, thanks to my mate, I don't mention your name, but thank you if you're watching, you know who you are. Okay, the price was around 32 cents, and now it's almost 90 cents, was 1 point something dollar, because Dojo Swap doing a lot of airdrops, NFT, and they have a launch pad, so all the time they have something new to go. Let me just mention, this is the old school. So here is the old school, that's mean no concentrated liquidity pools, you just combine both Injective and USDT, 100% APR. Okay, and you have all their tokens. Make sure you understand the risk over there. Again, Sol with Injective 56% APR. Maybe you think that's not a lot, but believe me, 50-60%, 70% APR, okay, and that it is just crazy. Okay, now let's go back, let me see. So we have Dojo and Injective, 250% APR. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Now the next one I would want to mention will be Orca. Orca is on Solana, one of my top favorites. Okay, make sure you can use also DeFi Llama to chase a great yield farming. And how you can go that, go to yields, okay, go to pools automatically, go to the token chains, okay, you can search any tokens, you can go select all if you want, okay, then go to chain if you want, or the best way is go here, category, okay, make sure you clear and just combine dexes. And make sure AP TVL is, let's say, 250,000. Maybe the best is to be 1 million, and APY, let's say 150%. Let's be a little bit greedy for this market. And here you will see right here, look on curve, you have these tokens as they would. So make sure when you're aping, okay, you know the tokens where you're going to go. Do a lot of research, technical analysis. Sol USDC on Orca, 250%. Okay, that's crazy. If you go here APR, you will see that there are a lot of 5,000%. So don't ape into this one, you will get wrecked yourself, okay, because you don't know these tokens. Okay, so make sure you understand the risk. But here you will see inspect and vet, okay, on PancakeSwap is giving you 1,000%, okay, but this is on Ethereum chain. Okay, the one what we look was on Binance chain. All right, that is crazy. I'm very looking into Ven. Okay, I'm just looking for some pullback. But Neon Sol, 976%. Also Fat WBNB, where we look this, and this is 897% on Binance chain. So don't go basically to here, go to Uniswap on Binance chain. That's crazy. Wow, what? Wow, look at that. That's crazy. Okay, so Orca, let me just wrap this video. So this is on Solana. Okay, I don't want to keep this video. Let me know, by the way, in the section if you want more videos like this. Let me know what chain you want me to cover, and I will cover for you. Okay, so on Solana, okay, this is the biggest DEX it's called Orca. Total value locked 200 million. Trading volume for the last 24 hours, $764 million. Weekly rewards 24,000. Okay, 24,000. I think this is just for Orca. Okay, just for their tokens. I did mistake last time. So check this out. Okay, this is just for their tokens, for the giving. Now check this out. Sol with USDC, this is stable. It's 0.66% per day. Sol USDT, 0.94% per day. Okay, this is for 24 hours. Isn't that crazy, guys? This is for 365 days. Okay, look, over 340. This is 1% per day, guys, on Sol and USDT. Okay, 13,000 bucks for fees. 59,000 bucks fees giving for everybody who providing liquidity. How crazy is this? Let's go Ven. You cannot even put the APR here, over 1,000% APR for 1 year. Look, 800 WIF. Okay, that's crazy. Boden, this is new one, so be careful there. With Sol, I'm farming this one. This is just crazy. All right, so let's go back for 1 day. Okay, let's find some good tokens. I can probably spend here like an hour of looking for you, to be honest. Okay, let's go and something what I like, render and Sol. You connect your Neon and Sol. Look at that, Neon and Sol. Neon is amazing token. I'm farming this for the last 4 weeks, and to be honest, I almost doubled my money and a little bit extra, 2.5% per day, and that is crazy. Okay, I'm making much more, to be honest. Let me connect my wallet. So once you connect, what you need to do is you need to go to deposit, let's say, go to custom, and here you choose your range. So check this out. The range, if you say the price will go up 20% and maybe will be between the range 20% up and 20% down, what is that? Pretty good range. You're getting around 6% per day. This is crazy. Again, this is on DEX, which means your money are not locked. Okay, you are the bank. I'm the bank. Okay, no RI dubs, no money locks. This is so game changing. All right, so crazy. Look, if you want to put big range, you say you want to go, but let's say 40% up and 78% up and let's say 50% up and 50% down. Okay, 2.5% a day. If the price go up and down 50%, that's 100% in range. Okay, like you can play around with the price and you're getting 2.4% per day. Isn't that crazy? What about if somebody want to be very narrow and very risky? Okay, you want to be by the computer most of the time. 7% up and 8% down, up and down. Okay, that's 15% range. 16% per day. So if you put $1,000, you're getting 160 bucks. I can see that this is just crazy. Again, the best way to learn, what I highly suggest to go and check, is Crypto Lab Research. And well done to this team, well done to these guys. The most and the fastest growing crypto group in the DeFi space. If you want to join, make sure you say CryptoPhil send you. I'm going to get small kickback and you're going to get 50 bucks back the second month where you paid. And how much cost? You get 20% off right now. I'm not sure if you still have 20% off. If you want to join, the website is very long. Go here, go all the way down. Oh, they changed it, so thanks God, so that's good. So go all the way down and go and connect. Okay, no, they changed it, so go and check, see where they are. Okay, and how you can join. It was around $100 per month, but they always have some discount. And also second month, if you say CryptoPhil send, you're getting 50 bucks back. So basically second month you paying only halfway. So again, well done to these guys. They're going to give a lot of free trading. Also, wherever you decide to join, again, make sure you say CryptoPhil send you. I'm going to get kickback and you're going to get a very nice kickback. Okay, so that's about it. That's enough for this video. It's almost 12 minutes and I think it's well worth it to watch. All right, goodbye, God bless, love you all.